Hey guys, I'm playing with my friends. We're eating sushi. Yum yum.
Yeah, we're eating sushi.
Sushi's so good. Oh yeah. Who doesn't like some sushi? I just love sushi. For real, for real. Okay, let's eat some sushi. Yum yum. Yummy yum, guys. So yum yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yum. Yum 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 yum. Sushi so good. Yes, I love sushi. Sushi. Sushi so good. I love it, love it, love it. Love it. I love sushi. Love it. I love sushi so much. I love sushi. I love this. I love it. Sushi. I love sushi. Yummy, yum, yum. In my tum tum. Oodly doody doo. I love sushi. I love the sushi. Oh, okay. Let's eat this one. Which one should I eat? Oh, yes, a bowl. Yummy, yummy sushi. Sushi. Who doesn't like sushi, man? Who doesn't? Everyone loves your sushi. Don't you guys like sushi?
Yeah, I love sushi.
Everyone does, guys. Everyone does. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Me, Didi, I love sushi. I love sushi. I love sushi. Guys, do you like eating sushi? Do you like sushi? I love sushi.
Yeah, bro.
I like the yummy yum sushi. Yum yum yum. Yum 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 yum. I love sushi. I love you, sushi. Yum yum yum.
Look at my hand. Look at my hand.
I am. Look at the sushi. Nom 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 nom. I want to eat the soy sauce.
Hey, you can't do that. Not just the soy sauce.
Oh, okay. I need more sushi. I need more.
Okay, I'll get you some sushi.
Thank you. Oh, it's so yummy. I like this one the best. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Sushi is so good. I love you, sushi. I love you. I love you so much. I love you, sushi. I love you, sushi. I love you. Oh, let's eat some more. I'm gonna stop using the soy sauce. I want some more. Hey, who's that robot? Oh, they're going. The naughty people.
Aki.
Yeah?
Aki. You know, Uncle Vin, I think Uncle Vin wants to play with you.
Uncle Vin? Okay.
Yeah, I think he wants to play with you.
I'm gonna make another video on that. So guys, stay tuned on that one. Ha! Yeah, okay. Guys.
Wait, you said stay tuned on that one. Wait, how old are you?
5?
But then your mum said you're not 5.
She's because my birthday was like a day, like I don't know, like it was near August. or something. It was like August 13th, so I keep saying I'm 5 even though I'm 6.
What year were you born in?
Me? I was born in.
Yeah,
I
no,
was.
don't take time. You should know. You should
Huh?
know, buddy.
What do you mean? Don't take
You should know what year
time.
you were born in.
I was born in 2018, 25th of August.
Well, you said 13th of August.
Huh? What do you mean, bro?
You said 13th of August. You
I
said 13th of August.
I
and you
said
25th of
25th.
August.
I'm gonna go ask my parents then, man.
Why are you
Well,
asking your parents, mate?
cause,
Your sister or something, or you with a voice changer, mate.
huh? Okay, guys. Stay tuned. Bye.